Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be talking all about choosing the right colors for fabrics when embellishing. Okay, so choosing the right color of beads or stones or rhinestones, whatever accessory that you're trying to use to embellish your outfits that you've made, how to choose the right color, especially if your fabric, the fabric that you've already used to make your outfit, is multicolored. I got a question recently that basically inspired this video. Someone asked, "Oh Funbi, how do I know the right color of beads to use when I'm working with a multicolored fabric?" So in today's video, I will do my best to answer that question and also just talk a little more about this topic. If you are interested in knowing more about color theory, make sure to watch this video all the way through. Like the video if you enjoyed watching, which I'm sure you would. Subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe. Feel free to share with your friends. All right guys, let's jump straight into it. If this is your first time on the channel, hello, my name is Funmibi Olawore. I'm a fashion enthusiast based in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. I make videos out of my home here in Canada, talking about all things relating to fashion, self-improvement, embellishment. I love a bunch of different things, and I do my best to just share bits and pieces of my passion with you all on here on YouTube. If that sounds like something that you'll be interested in, please feel free to join the family by hitting that subscribe button. Remember to also click the bell notification right beside the subscribe button so you'll be the first to know every single time I post a new video. All right guys, color theory. The first thing that will really help you in choosing the right color when working with multicolored fabrics, especially lace in particular, George as well comes in multicolor. Different fabrics can come in multicolor, pattern. The first thing that will help you is to have a good eye. Okay, your eyes must be able to behold beauty. I don't know if that's the right way to say it. Like, you should be able to look at something and just come up very quickly with the best way to just make that thing look more beautiful than it is already. So if you have a fabric, for example, you should be able to look at that fabric and in your mind create a mental picture of all the accessories that you can use with that fabric to make it even more beautiful by the time you turn that fabric into an outfit. I hope that makes sense. This sometimes comes to people naturally. There's some people that just have a good eye for colors and things, okay? But if for any reason you're not very good when it comes to determining colors and putting colors together, something you want to learn more about is color theory. Okay, just type it on Google. It's your ability to bring colors together in a beautiful way, just to learn more information about colors, how to put colors together, what color goes best with what type of color, primary, secondary colors and stuff like that. Just Google color theory. You can also go on Pinterest. This was something that I learned while in my beading academy last year. Oh no, I was in my beading academy in 2022. It was my instructor at the time that told us about color theory, just learning more about it to help us when it comes to putting colors together. So if that's something you're interested in, feel free to go do the Google search. If you also want me to do my own homework and come to you guys with a video, comment color theory in the comment section. Depending on the number of comments that I get, it will just motivate me to do the homework for you and bring it to you guys in a video. Okay, so either you have a good eye for colors and be able to come up with something really beautiful in terms of selecting colors of embellishment for your fabric, or learn more about colors and just build that skill gradually. That's something that will help you. Another thing that you want to do while choosing the right colors of embellishment to go with your fabric is to determine the color that will make your outfit pop. Okay, when you have a multicolored fabric, if you look at it and you think the darker colors on this fabric will tone down the beauty of my work, then you know that, okay, you want to avoid using the darker color on the fabric. If you know that, oh, if I use the brighter colors on this fabric, it will make the outfit look more beautiful, then you go with that brighter color. It's all up to you, right? Someone like Vicky James, Prudential Atelier, Imagine by Bukola, Ideal Nupo, Matopeda Atelier, these people that are Nigerian designers. I'm a Nigerian, by the way, for those that might be watching me for the first time, and I kind of love everything about fashion from my country. Fashion designers from my home country are chef's kiss. I'm so proud of Nigerian fashion designers, and these names that I mentioned are just a few out of the many amazing fashion designers that are based in Nigeria. Those people that I mentioned earlier, I feel like they've mastered the art of color theory. Like when Vicky makes an outfit and she does the embellishment always eats, okay? It looks fabulous. She knows how to put colors together to just make something look beautiful. I'm going to put samples of outfits that were embellished by different Nigerian fashion designers on the screen, just to put a picture to what I'm talking about, okay? You should know how to put colors together, look at a fabric and determine what color you want to work with. There's a particular dress that Vicky posted recently, the dress that she wore, the second outfit that she wore for the Future Awards 2024, right, where she was the co-host. We saw that yellow and red outfit. Look at the way she blended the golden beads and the red beads to just make that yellow pop really nicely and look very beautiful. That's just one out of so many other dresses, right, that Vicky has made and other designers have made. Okay, so you should be able to look at a fabric and determine, choose from the moment you get that fabric, choose the colors that you think will make that your outfit look very beautiful. Another thing you want to take note of is the skin tone of the person that is going to wear that outfit. You should know or at least put a face to the person that is wearing your outfit. Determine, oh, this person that is chocolate skinned, is this color going to pop on her? Is it going to make the dress that she's about to make look nice on her? Oh, this person is light skinned. This color that I'm choosing for her, is it going to make her look washed out and not, you know, popping? Or is it going to bring out her skin color and make the dress look very nice on her? These are things that you should take into consideration. So if it means asking for a picture or having a face-to-face consultation with your customer, do that and just look at them and ask for their opinions as well. Sometimes the customer already knows what they want. They're like, oh, when you want to embellish, use this color of beads for me, da 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 da. If they're open to hearing your suggestion, feel free to give your suggestion. You can say, hey, why don't you try this color? Don't you think this color is going to look nice? Rub minds together. But if your customer already knows what they want, just follow their instructions, right? Another thing that I feel like is going to really help you is to get acquainted with fashion across the globe. Okay, don't say because, oh, you're a Nigerian fashion designer, you are not interested in Middle Eastern fashion or Indian fashion or Arabic fashion. Get acquainted with fashion designers all across the globe. For me now, on my TikTok, Instagram, I follow designers from everywhere. There's some people that I even follow that I don't know where they are from. I just like their work. I can tell they're not Nigerians, but I like the quality of their work and I just follow it. Okay, don't restrict yourself to your immediate vicinity. Don't say, oh, because you are based in Nigeria, you only follow Nigerian fashion designers. It will not widen your horizon. It will not broaden your scope of knowledge when it comes to this particular area of fashion, when it comes to embellishment. Okay, make sure that you are learning from different places. Make use of the apps on your phone, your Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, everything, Pinterest. Watch a lot of things, do your Google search and just get to know more things. From getting to know more things, it will help you personally. You might not know it that you're learning consciously, but with time, you will just see a fabric and just be like, I think I should put yellow on this black fabric. Oh, I think I should put red on this green fabric. I'm just saying all of these colors, okay? Don't hold me to it, but it will help you a great deal. Finally, what I'm going to tell you is that getting acquainted with colors and just coming up with beautiful designs is a process. Okay, I always tell us on here that Rome was not built in a day. Don't beat yourself up. From making mistakes, from doing trial and error, it will sharpen your skill. Okay, the big designers that you see that are doing something fantastic, they all started from somewhere. Okay, they started from somewhere. So don't put yourself under pressure and be like, oh, why don't I know how to put colors together? It's a process. Also ask for people's opinion. I'm sure we all have family and friends around us. Ask them, do you think I should mix this outfit with gold? Do you think I should do, like, ask people for opinion. Even when you go to the market and you're buying fabrics, one thing that I know that people used to do back then in Port Harcourt when I go to the market is fashion designers, sometimes they bring samples of the fabric that they are making. They bring it to the market and then they'll show the seller and say, if I put gold with this fabric, what do you think? Is it going to look nice? I've had people walk up to me randomly in the market when I'm shopping for tools for the tutorials that I bring on here. They'll just ask me, oh sis, what do you think of this color together? Do you think I should use this bead or should I use that bead? It's a process, guys. Life is not that deep, okay? Let's try to be very calm with ourselves and patient with ourselves. When trying to learn something, be patient with yourself. Don't beat yourself up at all. I hope this video was very valuable to you. I hope you learned something. Again, if you want us to talk all about color theory on the channel, comment color theory down in the comment section. I'll be sure to bring up something. Just put a tutorial up for us just to help us better understand everything that has to do with colors and embellishment. If you enjoyed this sweet tutorial, please be sure to give me a big fat thumbs up. It's going to let me know that you guys enjoyed watching. If you're not subscribed, now will be a fabulous time to hit that subscribe button. Remember to also press that bell notification right beside the subscribe button. It will let you know every single time I post a new video. Shout out to the members on the channel. Thank you so much, Adenike Olupo and NO as well. If any of you guys are watching, thank you so much. Thank you ladies for subscribing to my membership. I genuinely appreciate you. If you're not a member of the channel and it looks like something you want to do, if you want to also go ahead to support me by becoming a member of the channel, feel free to click the join button. It will show you the different levels of membership that we have and how much it will cost. Membership is just your way of supporting me apart from watching my videos and watching the ads on my videos. Thank you all so much for watching today's video, and yeah friends, I can't wait to see you all in another video very soon. Bye.